welcome. I guess the camera guy already showed you my new place. This is where, I'm sorry, not guy, woman. This is where I'm going to be doing my shows. This is not my room, first of all. This is just like one half, not even half of the garage, less. It's like a penny of the garage. It's a small place. So that's usually where a visitor would sit. I'll have someone sitting there pretty soon. But I just wanted to do this so you guys can see my new show place. So don't forget to subscribe. And that was pretty much all I wanted to do. I wanted to show you guys around.